ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಗುರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ. Be blessed by the divine. Dear friends, I heartily welcome all of you to the spiritual discourse today in English, organized by World Community Service Center, Karnataka Zone. I cordially welcome Dr. Vijaya Dhanapati Madam, who has done her Master of Arts in Philosophy. Madam is working as a secretary at Maharishi Aurobindo School. Madam is a vice president of World Community Service Center of Karnataka Zone, vice president of Smart Karnataka Zone, and also a vice president of Bangalore Panchashila Nagara Sky Trust. Madam has been doing service selflessly from past 27 years and is encouraging many Sky members, professors, and masters to practice Sky Yoga and follow the principles of Guru Yogiraj Vedadri Maharshi. Now I request Dr. Dhanapati Madam to invite the speaker of the day and introduce Dr. Chokkalingam sir to all of us. Be blessed by the divine, Madam.
Be blessed by the divine. It's a great honor and pleasure for me to introduce and welcome today's eminent speaker, Dr. V. Chokkalingam sir. Professor Dr. V. Chokkalingam, MBBS, Doctor of Medicine, Cardiology, Fellow of American College of Cardiology, Fellow of American College of Health Physician, the Professor Emeritus Cardiology from Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, and former Director, Institute of Cardiology, Madras Medical College, and Chief Cardiologist, Government General Hospital, Chennai. So he has won gold medal in medicine and gold medal in cardiology and has got first rank in both at state level and was first to graduate as DM Cardiology from Madras Medical College, Chennai. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯರು. ಇವರು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೃದ್ರೋಗ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Cardiology for undergraduate, postgraduate students of medicine and postdoctorate students of cardiology, DM and diploma ND. And he is an examiner for over 52 years. He has published and presented more than 100 scientific papers in national and international cardiology conferences and journals. ಅವರು 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧಿವೇಶನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He authored many books like Idayam Kaka and Humor and Health in Tamil. And Elsevier International USA has published his Cardiac X-rays, Mind Your Heart, and Journey to a Hearty Health in English. He is a strong believer that heart attack, the #1 killer disease globally, can be effectively prevented and cured by implementation of positive lifestyle. To spread this awareness, he regularly appears on several TV channels and reaches out to the public through print media. He is a featured speaker at international medical meetings and regularly addresses mindset and lifestyle enhancements at public gatherings globally. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಅವರ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲದ ಮೂಲಕ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಹೃದಯಘಾತದಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ದೂರವಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು ಎಂದು. He has been ಅವರ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದೇನೆಂದ್ರೆ he has been a consultant for the chief ministers of Tamil Nadu such as Annadurai, Kamaraj and Kalaignar. Especially he was introduced to Vedadri Maharshi 20 years back. He was a consultant for Guru Vedadri Maharshi also. Guru Vedadri Maharshi ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಕೆಲವು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಭಾಗ್ಯ. We are all gifted to have such an eminent speaker along with us today. On behalf of World Community Service Center Karnataka Zone and all the participants in the Atma Sangama Karyakrama today, I welcome him and request him to deliver a spiritual address on Health is Wealth, Mind Your Heart. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವೇ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಎನ್ನುವ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Welcome you, sir. Hearty welcome. Thank you, sir. Now you can start, sir.
My dear sisters and brothers, I'm really very much privileged to address our people in Karnataka. I am confident what you are now interacting, it will go on YouTube globally. I am really very much honored. And I am going to present, you can see my wife, Dr. Chandamarai, is a great source of for me for writing books and everything. I am very thankful to her. And what I am going to say is nothing new to you. I am going to tell you the facts about Maharishi's Manavalakalai and how it is going to be helpful to keep you healthy. I am going to show with a PowerPoint presentation. Any doubts, you can keep it in the end. I will start with my PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And this is really a very much interesting. I'm really very honored to our president, secretary, and to all my friends. And you all know that the moment you are going to lit any candle, any light, it dispels darkness and gives you in the inner mind what one should be. I personally feel Atma Sangamam is acting as a bridge connecting local people globally as everyone together. It made us to feel as though we are all all must be grateful to our Guruji. We know that there is an International Day of Yoga being celebrated on 21st June every year. And you know that yoga means connecting mind, body, and soul. You all must be totally aware of it because you have been great follower of our Maharishi. I always generally ask questions. What is that ultimate wealth is? The ultimate wealth is health. No doubt about it. The reason it is known as health is wealth. Then I ask next question, what do you mean by health is? Health before the thought defined as a disease-free state. The real sense health is positive state of health, mentally, physically, spiritually, socially, and it should be holistic. That is what health, and it has been accepted by the WHO and globally. That is what our Maharishi has been teaching us, how one should be holistic to keep ourselves healthy. Actually, address recently is a very big gathering in Cape Town. And I asked them, those who got problems, to raise their hands. Many raised their hands. Some they have not raised. I told them, those who have not raised their hands, they are not human beings. You will be surprised why I am saying, having born, we have to live with problems. And last year I addressed about 18,000 people in Japan. The topic what was chosen, the topic what I am giving today, and you won't believe me when I started saying to live for 100 years, 2,000 people they stood up, they don't want to listen my talk. I politely asked why. They told me they're already 102, 103, 104 years. Then what is the question of listening? Your talk out live, then I extend and say to live beyond 100 years. Why they are all living for 100 years? They are all living in nature. They are all living for the language. They are all living for the society, and thereby they live happily. We all know that life is a journey and it is not a race. We're going to have the journey of our ship as a life. It can sail only the sea of problems. We must know how to navigate with the problems. If you allow the problems to get into that, what it happens? That's what Maharishi teaches us. You identify problems, you must know how to live with that. Then I ask this question, can you identify what do you see in the slide? Many will say the black spot. They forget about 19% unstained, very clear one. Those who said black spot, they are prone for heart attack. The reason is something they have not got it, is going on worrying about it. Please never bother about what you are not at it. You all know that, as the introduction said, this is a Periyar, Kamaraj, Anna, MGR, and Maharishi. Why I am showing this one? They all live for the society till the end. And 40, 50 years back, I really had a greatest privilege of being physicians to the legends in our country. And most really I enjoyed where I addressed both of us, 15,000 students. And his only concept of our Abdul Kalam doctor's aim is one all must live in oneness is the stress he has to be giving them. I always ask what may be how many years one generation. Many they will give different answers. And my answer is, you know the birth of your year and your birth of your first child's year, the distance of the interval between the two is one generation. So what we gain today, it must be communicated to generations to come. The best teacher for anyone will be, please remember, your own life is the best teacher. As long as you live, your life is teaching you every day. And please keep your open mind to learn from that. The 3 killer diseases in the world today, 1 heart attack, 2 cancer, 3 accidents. Please remember, all are lifestyle diseases. If we decide to be what our Maharishi said, and positive mindset, positive lifestyle, 100% these 3 can be prevented. The same way the coronavirus also became a more or less lifestyle disease. The COVID-19, you know that, and it is now becoming pandemic. I'm going to touch upon that few seconds about that COVID-19. It's a coronavirus 19. There is a disease in 2019, got the name. Please remember, the other diseases that one may see here is a stroke, tension, tremor, ulcer, asthma, skin disorder. Will make you prone for infection, including COVID-19, autoimmune diseases, cancer, many are produced by negative stress effect, accidents, AIDS because they are not happy with one partner. Please never get caught by the police or by a lawyer or by the doctors. Consider all the 3 as your friends and uplift your livelihood. And please remember, for your existence of E, we need 3 E's, we call it as EQ, 1 emotion, eating, exercise. That's what Maharishi has put in. All the 3 are very important to keep you healthy by means of his Manavala Kalai. I made these 1 as 3 mantras to live for more than 100 years. 1, be positive in thinking, be healthy in eating, be adequate in exercising. We're going to follow all the 3. We will never have any jobs as doctors. Mantra 1, be positive in thinking. I'm going to spend some time on that. Please remember, mind, otherwise known as Tamil Manam, it cannot be seen, it cannot be touched, but it operates only in the brain. Even though it operates in the brain, please remember, it controls the brain, heart, and all organs of the body are controlled by the unseen mind only. So what is that mind is? Mind has got no matter, no substance, and for any matter, never mind it, that attitude developing by Manavala Kalai. What is the mind is? Different names, psyche, ullam, like that. Please remember, the 5 sensory organs sense feelings, sensations to the brain. In the brain, it is converted to thought. The thought becomes intellect, and you become sixth sense of intellect. We are all human beings. Once you get the mind, you must keep it 360 degrees open. You must keep it an open parachute. Please remember, it develops, decides personalities A, B, C, D, E, which you will now shortly see that. Please remember, body and mind are interdependent, and both are supported by the mind, and body and soul cannot independently exist. So the mind that's supporting, unfortunately, by your mind, by negative mindset, you kill the body and the soul. You are responsible for that. That's what I'm saying. You buy your intelligence, you must control your mind. Mind must control your body. Thereby, our life and soul will be existing more than 100 years. You all, those who are listening, please sit straight and relaxed way as you have been doing all the time. And it is not possible without stress as a human being. What the stress is? Reaction of mind and body to the environment. Please remember that, mind and body to the environment. The positive stress, that is happiness from all happenings are positive stress. Negative stress, the moment if you become unhappy, it is called negative. The positive negative is only your mindset. It's like a breeze or just like a tsunami. It's only in the mind there is a reaction to that. The stress based on the positive hormones are endorphin, melatonin, serotonin. The negative hormones are adrenaline, other hormones, don't worry. Once the stress of positive negative, please remember the psycho, neuro, humoro, viscero, immune response in nanoseconds. Suppose if you think about pickles, within a second, nanoseconds, you will get saliva. The same thing, if you're going to think about any person which you want, unwanted, it will produce negative stress. See how the human being evolved from rhesus monkey 60 lakhs years ago. At that time when they evolved, our ancestors, they were living in the forest and they have to kill the animals for the food, or they have to run from the animals, from the escaping. For that we need adrenaline. But unfortunately, in the civilized one, you are pumping adrenaline like anything. It becomes a negative stress hormone. See this person, he becomes like that. See this person becomes like that. Both of them only making us more richer. That is what this personality is. A is anxious, D is depressed, C is concealed, more common among ladies. They will wear masks. They will never expose what they are. It should not be. And E is the one I introduced. There is exchanging personality, changing from one to the other. All the four must be avoided. You must avoid by learning our Maharishi's mind Manavalakkalai. Please remember, less luggage is more comfort, both in the body or in the mind. And only way is type B is to be positive, be calm, be happy. And you must meditate. Those who have been meditating constantly, there is no need for medication at all. And anyone can pray. Our Maharishi's one is away from the religion. But please remember, the life is the God. God can live only in the temple of our body. Keep the body neat, healthy, the life will be existing more than 100 years. And you must remember that. And you always think that success gives you happiness. No, happiness itself is a great success. So never compromise happiness. If you are going to say among the two, which one will win that game of race is, they all will say this tortoise. But I will say both will, but only thing will get defeated. முயலாமை தான் தோற்குமே தவிர முயலும் மாமையும் ஜெயித்துவிடும். How about to be in serenity? Please remember, accept the things we cannot change, courage to change the things we can, and wisdom to know the difference. That is what Maharishi has said. It's a very important thing. Once you follow that, you'll be happy all the time. For that, please remember law of change, law of acceptance, law of responsibility, law of alignment with the true love and affection. These are 4 cosmic laws. One should not deviate. Thereby, you will be all the time happy. I usually ask many questions. You are divided by the blood groups. Why is RH positive negative? Because rhesus monkey is one. If they generally ask, which is the best blood group you would like to choose, if you're given the choice to choose, many will answer O group because definitely they are universal donor. What I say is, everyone should become B positive, not in the blood group, in their mental attitude. Anything, please take it casually. No chuckling. I don't have the habit of taking casually. Then you have to travel in the ambulance to the casualty. You have to decide. The best degree I used to tell them, which is the best degree among all? Please remember, the best degree will be calm. Not a degree, COM. One must be calm. That's what I meant. So be positive, be calm. You know that in India, there is a maximum capital of heart attack and sugar and 20 times more than Japanese. Please remember, every hour, 90% of dying, less than 20 years, both in male and female. For that, to put a full stop, only I am using this platform to educate. Don't get frightened. Be aware of what I'm saying. Your heart will work for 100 years. You know that heart is the organ, is a one fist apple shape and is one place on the left side of the chest and it weighs 300 grams. It beats 72 times per minute, per day 1 lakh without any rest. And for it to work, please remember the 2 millimeter coronary arteries, right coronary, left coronary, that only carries blood to the heart. The heart pumps, it has to travel the blood to all the blood vessels. The length of individual blood vessel is 60,000 kilometers. How much? 60,000 kilometers. So when it powerfully contracts, like that, you must know that. Morgan, நிறுத்துப்பா பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். And please remember, this effective organ to work, we must help the heart to work so nicely. Now, what is a heart attack is? Please remember, the heart attack, the muscle supplied by the coronary arteries, if there is going to be a block in the coronary arteries, please remember, it results in a heart block and thereby results in a heart attack. So heart attack is nothing but due to blocked in the coronary vessels. Please remember. And very important fact is, we need cholesterol in our blood. You need good, bad, all cholesterols as long it is in the blood is useful. When the blood cholesterol, if you remove it, heart cannot function, brain cannot function. You will die within a minute, within a second. But cholesterol, as long it is in the blood only. For example, the chronic stress of anything, the cholesterol get deposited in the blood vessels. See that, how it gets deposited. And thereby it blocks the vessels. Once it blocks, if it becomes 100%, it results in heart attack. So chronic stress, the blocking of the vessels because of deposit of cholesterol. Suppose going to acute stress, what happens? There's a block, and the block will become 100% because of the clot. Or it may be a spasm in the blood vessel and thereby resulting heart attack. Please remember, obstruction, clot or spasm All three can be effectively prevented if you decide to be happy and positive mindset. And this is the most important slide. I want everyone's attention. Please remember that. One, mental stress, negative one, what I told you. They overeat, they become obese, they will become sedentary in life. And thereby, they think the happiness is from smoking or alcohol. In coming to the cycle, in doing that, cholesterol increases, sugar increases, and pressure increases, and results in heart attack. Please remember, one after another, it chases and completion of negative life cycle, patient dies because of heart attack. Once you break the cycle by Maharishi's Manavalakkarai, by means of keep your mind positive, the cycle will become positive life cycle. Please remember, our children are closely watching that. Once a person gets, because of tension, heart attack, they get worried about the heart attack and they get one more attack. So worry, heart attack, worry, once again second attack. Please remember, you must know it and come out from that one. Worldwise, the maximum heart attack is between 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. That too on Mondays, because you know about it. Why it is morning? Because the circadian rhythm, and that when they get in the morning after rest, Monday they really go with a lot of tension, they become heart attack. They get first 6 hours of heart attack is a golden hour. Once you go to the doctor within that one, we can effectively remove the block by means of injections or by medicines, and thereby you can give a cure. Okay. Once you are admitted, we take ECG, X-ray chest, echo, angio, both CT and regular angio. And you may do stenting balloon, emergency even bypass surgery, pacemaker, transplant, or whatever thing you do, please remember, everything is only temporary. So what is the permanent one in that case? Please remember, there is the positive mindset and positive life cycle. It becomes permanent. I want everyone's attention in this slide, what Margaret has been telling. Please remember, positive in thinking, be positive, vegetables and fruits plenty, regular exercise, keeping optimal body weight, and sessions both active and passive smoking, avoiding alcohol. In doing that, your cholesterol comes down, sugar becomes normal, pressure becomes normal. Within 1 year, the obstruction totally disappears. You won't believe me. If I get today 100 heart attack patients, 95%, I make them perfectly all right by making them to follow the life cycle with medicines. 5% only I do the stenting. See, if someone is having a block of 90%, 95% even today, if they follow 1 year the positive life cycle of Maharishi, the end of melatonin, please remember, the block totally disappears. It takes 1 year. Suppose you were born with the sugar pressure because your parents would have given, and you are given to your children. But please remember, good news, you are going to follow this one for 9 years positive lifestyle from today. Please remember, it can disappear, but it takes 9 years. But you may be born with normal genes. By chance, 9 years you live in the negative life cycle, what I told you earlier. Within 9 years, all diseases will get attached. Then, very difficult for you once again go to 9 years of cycle to make it disappear. And just a few minutes, the COVID is the one, you please remember, so with a large virus, it cannot live independently. It's RNA only. And maximum it can live for 3 days. It's going to be stainless. Otherwise, it dies within 3 hours, 4 hours. And see, how it spread is from the pangolin bats. It has come to human beings. So zoonatics, animal to human. Now, human to human only spreading. No role of animals. Please remember that. Many will ask us, there's a very critical situation going, when the corona will go, once we decide, it will go in 100%. See, we all must get protected. And how it spreads, you all must know by direct droplet, by touching the objects, what they used. And it become now pandemic, that we are very prone, the smokers, elders, in asthmatic, children, and alcoholic. And symptoms, you all know that headache, cough, fever, shaking, chills are regular like that. And what is the treatment for that? Please remember, this slide is very important. Everyone use the word SMS. S for soap, sanitizer, mask for that, wearing the mask covering the nose and face, social distancing, minimum 2 meters. Another thing I like to add, you must distance your hand from the face itself. So if you're going to distance your hand from the face 100%, with the 3 SMS, no corona will come. Anyone is going to follow Maharishi's positive mindset, even if you get it will never affect you. We'll come out from this corona positively. And please remember, anytime you must work as worship. Work is worship. Work and worship. You must know how to balance work and life constantly. We need money to be happy, no doubt about it. But they become unhappy in earning, they become victim of heart attack. I used to say, you add any number of zeros after 1, but the value of that zeros only when 1 is there, the 1 is when you are alive. And sleep is the most important thing. As you all know very well, you are going to do meditation. Our mind will go to the alpha mind waves, 9 to 13 cycles per second. You will get sleep. And sleep is a very good meditation. And when you are sleeping, try to sleep like this, best way of sleeping. Or any way you can sleep. In how many minutes you must be able to sleep? You must be able to sleep in 7 minutes. How many hours you must sleep? Minimum you must sleep for 7 hours per day. Please remember that. And sleep and happiness is like butterfly. You are trying to catch, it will go off from you. The moment if you are going to calm, the butterfly will come and sit on your palm. And mantra 2 is be healthy in eating. What do you mean by that? I usually ask what nuts contains cholesterol. I will allow you to discuss. Think about it. Please remember, none of the nuts cholesterol containing 1. All vegetable food are all 0 cholesterol. But take with the skin, take not plenty because calorie content, they are very nutrient. You all must take it nicely. Please take only for your, not for your பசிக்கு மட்டும் சாப்பிடணும், but not for the taste. And ஏழாவது சுவை என்ற நகைச்சுவை ரசிக்க வேண்டும். That's what I'm saying. The food tips are avoid full stomach meals anytime. Ideal thing is half food, quarter water, quarter keep your stomach empty. Gap of minimum 3 hours between dinner and sleep. Never exercise after meals minimum for 2 hours. Breakfast nicely, lunch less, dinner very less, and take minimum 3 liters to 4 liters of water. And the HDL cholesterol, high density good cholesterol, if it is more than 50 milligrams, you live for 100 years. Then when it becomes more than 50, automatically the bad cholesterol become less than 90, 100. The HDL cholesterol not in the food or medicine, HDL cholesterol only by the liver, by your mindset. How can it be increased? By your optimal weight, by meditation, aerobic exercise, stop smoking and alcohol. Your HDL will go up. And LDL will be increased by means of all these foods. And LDL will be reduced by means of using gingerly oil, sesame, rice bran oil, sunflower oil, or canola, and avoid these foods that will directly increase your LDL cholesterol. Apple a day may be good. Apple obesity must be avoided because they are prone for heart attack. fivefold. I used to say, the most important lifeline for you is not these lines in your palm. Please remember, shorten your waistline, lengthen your lifeline. Please avoid this infantile obesity because it will die at the age of 25. And they have been telling that please reduce the weight. I was telling me how to reduce. He has been telling he cannot because he's over 80. One lady told me that she's doing all the time 3 asanas. What asanas? She's saying sitting, eating, sleeping. It is equivalent to burying herself. Please remember, reduce your oil and increase your oil intake. Better to fast than live on fast food. See, when they invented TV, it was so big, the person who was watching was so thin. Now the TV has become very thin, the person has become obese like this. It should be avoided. Tea per day, 2 cups. Alcohol, avoid it totally. Active and passive smoking, both are very dangerous. See how this is. Please remember. And third mantra, be adequate in exercising. That is, you must do aerobic exercise. Please, our children, my youngsters, don't use treadmill and use a treadmill only for walking speed. Don't use the very high speed and inclination because you may need knee replacement at the age of 40 years. You know that lift invented by OTS 132 years ago in Chicago, very important one. Even today, I am in the 9th floor of my department as a director. Till today, I never used in a single time to go up the 9th floor. I always use the steps. Please remember. One liftman came, please sir, come by lift. I asked why. Sir, lift lo vaanga sir. Mele seekram poilan. It should not be. And please remember the meditation, the aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, jogging, swimming, everything is good. It please remember for all the benefits. It prevents many cancers too. It increases immunity. Thereby you will get rid of COVID-19 too. And please remember these asanas are good. Avoid at any age Sarasasana and Sarvasana. So from year to year, the line between the two is only our life. These two ends are not in our hands. It can be extended, it can be reduced, it only lies in hand. That's what I used to say. Keep the line up, we live longer. Keep the line down, shorter. A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. So calm mind only will appreciate happiness, and happiness only will enjoy the humor. We're going to clap the hand, somebody may be even present. And in doing that one, please remember, the organs are imprinted in the palms. The moment you will clap, please remember the acupressure, the organs are stimulated, the sensation go to the brain. From there it goes to all the organs, and all organs will work more than 100 years. Please remember, everything is fast life, fast food, fast communication, faster. Unfortunately, heart beats faster, life ends faster. That's what I used to say. Please avoid hurry, worry, curry to get worried. Please remember. And life is that rainbow. It appears and disappears. And rainbow characters must have this one. The 7 characters rainbow. Honesty, humanity, humility, holistic, humor, hardworking, helping, with yielding personality, our life becomes rainbow. Rainbow colors are only in the skin of fruits and vegetables. We must take plenty with the skin. And rainbow 7 colors. At least 2 you must follow as exercise. Minimum 30 minutes per day. And make meditation and yogasana as a part of your life all the time. No, Dr. Chokaling, I won't follow. Even then, there will be a rainbow in your house, the rainbow for different diseases and different colors. So you can aim to be without medicine. You all must use the objects. We must all love the subjects. Unfortunately, Now you are using the subjects and you are loving the objects. That should be reversed. Yesterday is the broken pot. Tomorrow is the cat on the wall. Today is the veena musical instrument. So live happily of now. Enjoy the music of life. The key is to be happy and healthy. Only in your fingertips. Control yourself. Alternate if necessary. Delete the unwanted things immediately. You are left only with happiness. So life is a calculation. Add good things, deduct bad things, multiply knowledge, divide your time, live in balance. You live in a healthy way for 100 years and you make our society healthy too. When you look at the clock, we always look at now like that. So the honey is the only thing that won't get spoiled. If we're going to put anything in honey, it will never allow it to get spoiled. So it becomes honey in life. And life, never copy with anyone in life. You enjoy your life. You decide and self-realized person. You must live for yourself, keep yourself healthy, and live for the society at large. And I'm really happy for the excellent opportunity. I've given my numbers, mail address, everything. Make a note of it. Anytime, if you got any doubts, you're very most welcome. And if we are going to have some use for all of you, I'll be the happiest person to extend my services. Once again, I'm very thankful to organizers for this excellent opportunity. And any doubts, I will keep this one open for question answers. I'm once again thankful to our president and my sister Vijaya for an excellent opportunity. And please communicate the message at the earliest to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. You can open it for question and answers, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wonderful speech.
Thank you, madam. Very useful to everyone.
Yes, sir. We all like to make our life as a rainbow of fruits, not of medicines.
Thank you, thank you. You got the message so nicely, madam.
Yes, sir.
Where is our president, Vijaya?
President is in the office, sir. He is also in the line, sir. I'll just see if he could come through video.
Why don't you unmute and let
Yes,
him
sir.
come for video, and then I would like to see him also.
Yes,
And
sir.
keep it open, madam.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want to make everyone to see that. How are we going to have that everyone to come to the screen, madam? What is the way?
Gallery, that one gallery view is there, sir. On the
Where is
right
that
side,
one?
right side top, there will be one gallery view.
Right
Three
side
dots.
top.
Yes, sir.
One minute, madam. Where is the gallery view?
Some 9 dots will be there, sir.
Dots are there.
If you
And
just
meeting information.
no, sir, not that one.
Ah.
Laptops will be different, sir, but I don't know where actually it is in your place.
Oh. Show names, records, side, gallery view.
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to see that one, madam.
Right side, sir. Right side top.
Right side top of what? This panel or in me?
Yes, sir. Panel.
Okay, I'm not able to, madam. It came once.
The same thing you can do, sir.
I don't know how it came. I don't know. It went off.
Okay, sir.
Maybe
Pallavi, continue. Sir, people are waiting to ask questions.
Yes, please, madam, go into the. Because once if you go to the gallery,
yes, sir, you can see them.
I can see them. That's what I'm thinking. But I don't know how to, unless you guide me for this one. I really don't know. 1 minute. I think I must close this sharing first of all. Stop sharing. Okay, now I got it, madam.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
The time for question and answer session, sir. Dear friends, if you have any questions, please click on the raise hand button in your Zoom to ask questions. With the question, sir.
Yes, please, madam.
First, Velu Swami, sir. Please unmute yourself and ask the question, sir.
Yes, don't be reluctant to ask question. Any question you can ask me. If you know the answer, I'm going to say I know. Otherwise, I will say I don't know the answer. Vijaya, you can come in the video also, Vijaya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Velu
Why?
Swami, ask the question,
Come
sir.
on, Vijaya.
ஐயா வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் ஐயா.
ஐயா நான் வேலுசுவாமி பெங்களூர்ல இருந்தியா.
வேலுசாமி வணக்கம். வணக்கம் ஐயா.
வணக்கம் ஐயா. வணக்கம் வணக்கம் ஐயா. பேச்சு நல்லா இருந்துங்க. அதை பத்தி சொல்றேன். எனக்கு இங்க நான் 50 years back I got the bypass surgery.
வெரி குட்.
அப்புறம் என்னன்னா இப்ப இந்த லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் ரொம்ப வலிச்சிட்டே இருக்குங்க. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் அடிக்கிறதுக்கா பெயின் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகுது.
You can understand English or
ரெண்டாவது
Tamil? ஆமா
சார் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட்ல சார் வலி ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. ஷூட்டிங் பெயின் சம்டைம்.
எவ்வளவு வயதாகுது உங்களுக்கு?
நான் 80 years சார். I am running 80.
எப்போ பண்ணீங்க சர்ஜரி?
15 years back சார்.
50 50 50
15
15
ஆமாங்க.
நீங்க என்ன பண்ணி நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் கடைபிடிங்க.
சரிங்க.
இந்த ஷோல்டர் எக்ஸசைஸ் நல்லா பண்ணணும்.
சரிங்க.
இத பத்தி ஒரி பண்ண வேண்டாம். உங்க டாக்டர் ஒரு தடவை செக்அப் பண்ணி சென்னைக்கு வர வாய்ப்பு ஒரு தடவை வந்து என்ன பாருங்க.
சரிங்க.
பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களை வேலுச்சாமி உங்களை 100வது பிறந்த நாள் நம்ம கொண்டாடுறோம் உங்க பெங்களூர்ல.
சரிங்க ஐயா. இன்னொரு டவுட், இந்த நெஞ்சு வலி அடிக்கடிக்க வருதுங்க. அது கேஸ் ப்ராப்ளமா இல்ல இது டியூ டு ஹார்ட் எப்படி இல்ல?
இது ஒரு முக்கியமான கேள்வி. இது நம்ம செக்அப் பண்ணால் வழி சொல்ல முடியாது. உங்க ஆபரேஷன் பண்ண டாக்டர் சொன்ன செக்அப் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவாங்க. எது இருந்தாலும் நம்ம சரிப்படுத்திடலாம். உங்க யாரும் இருந்தா வந்தீங்கன்னா நானே முழு கவனம் கொடுத்து உங்களை சரிப்படுத்திடுறேன்.
சரிங்க, ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் ஐயா. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, sir. The next question from Chandrika Raja, madam. Please unmute yourself and ask the question.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் sir. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Sir, your talk was exemplary and thought-provoking with insight for...
One minute. நீங்க யாருமே ஏமா வீடியோல வர மாட்டீங்களா? யாருமே இங்க பெங்களூர்ல?
Sir, I am on the video, sir.
நீங்க வந்துட்டீங்க விஜயா. What about others?
They'll also. We'll tell them, sir.
Those who want to come, please come with that video so that I can see them. I'm feeling of that I am with you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is nothing like that. Because now in the COVID, unless if you have this one, you won't be. Doesn't matter. You may be at home, you may be relaxing or something like that. I don't know. See, Darsh, our son is now seeing us. Nandri. Yes, Chandrika, please ask your doubt, Chandrika.
Sir, first of all, your talk was exemplary and thought-provoking.
Thank you.
With insight for ultimate wealth, health. ரொம்ப அழகா சொன்னீங்க. பாசிட்டிவ் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் ஹெல்த் பத்தி ரொம்ப சொன்னீங்க. ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இல்லாதவங்களே இல்லை இருக்கு. ஆனாலும் how to avoid heart disease, cancer and accident can be provided ன்னு சொன்னீங்க. ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ல இருந்து இருக்கிற எஃபெக்ட பத்தி ரொம்ப நல்லா சொன்னீங்க. அப்புறம் இது பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங், ஹெல்த்தி ஈட்டிங், குட் எக்ஸசைஸ் மகரிஷி சொன்னது அப்படியே ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்லி வச்சீங்க. அப்புறம் எப்படி ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸ அவாய்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு சொன்னீங்க. காஸ்மிக் லாஸ பத்தி சொன்னீங்க. எப்படி கேஷுவலா நாங்க எடுத்துக்கணும் அதை பத்தி ரொம்ப நல்லா சொன்னீங்க. கொலஸ்ட்ரால் பத்தி சொன்னீங்க சார். அது ஒண்ணுதான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப பேருக்கு அதனாலதான் வருது. இந்த கொலஸ்ட்ரால் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிட்டு எங்க ஆத்துக்காருக்கு 1997ல ஸ்டேபிள் அஞ்சைனா ஆச்சு. அப்புறம் 2010ல அவருக்கு ஆபரேஷன் பண்றதுக்கு அவர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னாரு. ஆனாக்கா doctor was not prepared to operate on him because he had 5-6 blocks which were nearly 90%, 80%.
சரி
ஆனாக்கா
இப்ப நல்லா
எங்க
இருக்காரா?
எங்க ஆத்துக்காரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம்லி ஆக்டிவ்.
வெரி குட்.
அண்ணாக்கா
இந்த லைஃப்
ஒரு
ஸ்டைல ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டோமா ஷாலிஜா?
என்னப்பா?
இந்த நம்ம சொன்னதெல்லாம் கடைபிடிச்சீங்கன்னா அனைவரும் நல்லா இருக்க முடியும். உடம்புல வெயிட் இருக்க கூடாது, அதான் முக்கியம். மனசுலயும் பாரம் இருக்க கூடாது.
சார் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு கேள்வி என்னன்னாக்கா, நான் யாரோ சொன்னது கேட்டிருக்கேன், இந்த பிளாக்ஸ் நிறைய இருந்தாலும் if you are active, if your lifestyle is good and with positive thinking, the capillaries will start working and they will act as arteries. Is it true?
Definitely. Not only capillaries will start working as bypass, natural. The block will also disappear in question of 1 year. It will disappear.
Sorry, அவங்க 81 years.
கட்டாயம் எந்த வயசுலயும் அது குறையும், கவலையே பட வேண்டாம்.
அப்போ capillaries will work.
Definitely, capillaries will start working. It will regress, and please remember the 3 mantras. If you follow, you will celebrate his 100th birthday, madam.
அது ரொம்ப ஃபாலோ பண்றோம் சார். பாசிட்டிவ், he is very positive, he is very hard working, and he does exercise. I think healthy eating I take care. So as you said,
super. ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சிமா.
He is 81, he is extremely active, and as you said, life is a journey, but we should live happily, healthily. It is in our hands, right?
Thank you, madam. Yes.
The next
Vijaya, next question, ma.
Yes, sir.
Who else I want to ask? Where is our president, Vijaya? President, I want to see our president.
ஐயா வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
நான் ரங்கநாதன் பெங்களூர்ல இருந்து பேசுறேன்.
வெரி குட். சொல்லுங்க மிஸ்டர் ரங்கநாதன்.
என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னா last 20 years I was suffering for RA. Then simultaneously I developed with this myocardial infarction.
Okay.
4-5 times எனக்கு ஸ்டண்டிங் பண்ணிருக்கு சார். Then 14 I had a CABG. Years of CABG I had again stenting. But the thing is that last 20 years I am on Vegatrium, which has my mind. மனசுல கொஞ்சம் கூட எஃபெக்டே கிடையாது. I don't feel something is there in my body.
Super.
The diet weight, everything is okay. Now in the month of February I had a jaundice. The thing is that jaundice, now I am on I was taking MTX because of that affected my liver.
Okay.
In the morning I am taking clopidogrel, afternoon aspirin, and evening
உங்க டாக்டர் சொல்றது அப்படியே கடைபிடிச்சா போதும். நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் கடைபிடிங்க, ஒண்ணுமே worry பண்ண வேண்டாம். Don't worry about that, accept it. That's very important.
I am doing that, sir, but இதெல்லாம் எடுக்கிறது ரொம்ப சைடு எஃபெக்ட், செஸ்ட் கண்டிஷன் எல்லாம் வருது. Can I go in?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Vijaya, next one, ma.
Dr. Tawamani, madam, you can proceed with your question, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. நான் டாக்டர் தவமணி சார்ஜாலந்து, துபாய் சார்ஜாலந்து பேசுறேன்.
ஹலோ தவமணி, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
வணக்கம் சார். ரொம்ப happy. We are really so happy that we could see you are such a famous personality. We have only heard because of the president. We could hear your speech today. Thank you so much, sir.
I am very happy.
Thank
you. The news, I came number of times Middle East and addressed many of the people. Once COVID is over, I will come.
Thank you.
Please spread this message to everyone, Tawamani. Any question?
No, sir. I'm so happy to have met you.
Thank you. You are where? Sharjah.
Yeah, I'm in Sharjah, sir.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Yes.
Next question from Yogesh Siddegowda. Unmute yourself and proceed with the question, sir. Yogesh Siddegowda, unmute yourself, sir.
Okay. Sir, sir, Balgi Samruddhi Andike, sir.
Yes, Yogesh.
Sir, today we are so blessed and fortunate to listen to you because so enlightened information about the health and about the common person also how to live with happily.
Thank you.
And the most important point what we got, sir, the 3 E cube you told us, sir, that's very useful actually. Emotion, eating, and exercise. It's very good, sir. And only one question I'm having:
Please
how
tell.
to reduce the LDL and increase the HDL, sir?
I told you, whenever HDL goes up, LDL will come down. One, by dieting, plus most important, regular exercise, happiness, reduction of weight. Smokers, both active and passive, must leave. So ultimately, exercise and happiness liver will increase your HDL cholesterol. And there is no problem. It prevents many cancers also. So
Thank you, sir.
HDL is a very important weapon we must. And it's not present in the food or the medicines. Your liver, by your mindset, you must increase it.
Thank you so much.
Nice question. Nice question. Thank you. Yes?
Selvam, sir.
Vijaya madam, where is our president madam? I had to see him.
Selvam, sir, please proceed with your question, sir.
What is our president? Is he there? Vijaya, நீங்க mute பண்ணிட்டீங்க நீங்க.
Sir, right now he is not here, sir.
Okay, no problem. Please, when let him. I think he was there in the beginning. No problem, Vijaya.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any more questions?
Yes, sir. Some more.
Yes,
Selvam,
please.
Selvam, sir, you can proceed with your question, sir. Sir, you are unmuted, sir. Selvam, sir.
Oh, no, Solomon.
Please unmute yourself and ask the question, sir. Selvam, sir.
Okay, ma. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, president is on line. You can see him.
ஐயா வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Hello, வாழ்க வளமுடன் ஐயா.
ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி. வாழ்க வளமுடன். கணபதி.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க ஐயா?
நல்லா இருக்குங்க. அவங்கள ஒரு 13 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பெங்களூர்ல அல்சூர்ல வச்சு சந்திச்சேன். இதே மாதிரி ஒரு டாக் கொடுத்திருந்தீங்க. அவங்கள வந்து பார்க்க வந்திருந்தேன்.
ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி. இந்த டாக் நல்லா இருந்ததுங்களா?
ஐயா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. மெயினா நீங்க சொன்ன ஒரு விஷயம் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா, அதாவது ஹாப்பினஸா இருக்கிறதே சக்சஸ்.
ஆமாங்க ஐயா. அது தமிழ் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, வெற்றி அடைவது மகிழ்ச்சி அல்ல, மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் இருப்பதுதான் வெற்றி.
ஹலோ.
So the moment you are happy, the feelingness is enough to make you healthy. That's also the secret of it.
இன்னைக்கு கொடுத்த ரொம்ப ஒரு எக்ஸலன்ட் மெசேஜா நான் நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த மெசேஜ் வந்து என்னோட இந்த குரூப் மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே கேட்டுப்பாங்கன்னு ஒரு சந்தோஷம் எனக்கு.
ரொம்ப I am very thankful to you sir for the excellent platform and meeting.
Actually we are very much thankful to you sir. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அதுவும் உங்களை மாதிரி பெரியவங்க இந்த மாதிரி எங்களுடைய நிகழ்ச்சியில வந்து எங்க மக்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் நல்ல விஷயங்களை சொன்னது வந்து ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ சோ மச்.
இந்த ஜூம் மீட்டிங் வந்து உலகத்துல அனைத்தும் இந்த வெபினார் கூகுள் மீட் எல்லாமே எல்லாரையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன் வித் செகண்ட். There is no need to travel, there is no money you are going to spend. How technology has become so effective.
ஆமாங்க. ஆமா.
ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க ஐயா. நன்றி தனபதி. நன்றிங்க ஐயா. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Selvam, sir, can you ask your question, sir?
Yes, please.
Selvam, sir.
I am ready. Yes, Vijaya. Sarala wants to ask Sarala. Yes, unmute and ask Sarala. Unmute. She is not unmuting her phone. Unmute. Vijaya.
Hello, namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste. It's very nice, sir. We enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you. Please communicate to
We
everyone.
can't hear you, sir. We can't hear you, sir.
Why? I am unmuted. Why?
No, sir. We are in Bangalore.
Able to hear me now?
Yeah, sir. Now I can hear you, sir.
Okay.
Pleasure to have you, sir. It's
Please
very nice today.
communicate this message to everyone.
Yeah, really, sir. I'll do this. We are in Ramnagar, Bangalore.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very nice, sir. Again, I want to contact you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Vijaya, you unmute your phone, ma. Vijaya muted. Very good. Has any more questions, my dear friends?
Chittayamma, please unmute yourself and ask the question, madam.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes.
This is daughter of Chittayamma speaking.
Yes,
It was indeed a great pleasure attending your program, sir.
Thank you.
It was very, very good as Dhanpati sir and others spoke about how happiness to success or success to happiness.
Very good.
This was a wonderful session, sir. I'll definitely get back to you. And the program was very heart-touching for both health and life balancing.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
How many questions, Vijaya?
Vasanta, madam, unmute yourself and ask the question, madam.
Hello, Vijaya, your mic is muted, Vijaya.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, it was very good, sir. It was very, very good. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, sir.
வசந்தா பேசுறீங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றிம்மா.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. Slides on the screen was so educative, sir.
Thank you.
So nice. I have no words to explain. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, sir. So one question, sir, எனக்கு.
சொல்லுங்க வசந்தா.
சர்வாங்காசனா is it not advisable?
சர்வாங்காசனா பண்ணோம்னா மூளைக்கு ரத்தம் போகலாம். ஆனால் heart has to work 8 times more if you are going to be in Sarvangasana.
Okay, first for the last so many years I am doing it.
Stop doing it hereafter. Don't do that.
Okay, sir.
And because the pressure in the brain increases, don't take the risk. Both the things must be avoided. Other than that, everything you can do, Vasanta.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Sarvangasana with the Halasana we should not do.
Thank you, sir, Vasanta. Please tell everyone.
Next question.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more question from actually YouTube channel, sir. Shashi Chandran wants to know whether the varicose veins affect heart, sir. Can you please answer?
Varicose veins, what will happen? It may produce clot, it may go to the heart, it may affect the lungs also. And there are very many ways we can treat it. Better to treat the varicose veins. Better.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Question from Parvati Bai, madam. Madam, please unmute yourself and ask the question, ma'am.
வாழ்க வளமுடன், sir. Hello.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். I am Parvati speaking. You have connected science, that is medicine and medications and exercises very nicely in one bond. I like that very much. Because of that only I joined after Vedadriyam. I was very healthy.
Thank you.
Before Vedadriyam, I was so not well. Like I was like patient actually. I had so many problems. But after joining,
now you become normal.
Very healthy. Very healthy.
Thank you. Best wishes, Parvati.
I am not taking any medicines from 10 years. So I feel very happy with Vedadriyam and also Vedadriyam principles. I am following everything. But sometimes mind and matter cannot be connected each other. Sometimes it happens because of my age, I think.
How old are you?
I'm 67.
You say you become age at the age of 97. Don't say now.
Yeah.
How
But
can you
I'm
say 67 because of the age?
Yes, sir.
So remove that feeling hereafter from you.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, you are nearly 10 years younger than me, Parvati. Thank you, thank you. It's all how you feel only. Yes?
Next, ma. Next.
Ask the question from Selvam, sir.
Yes, please.
Selvam, sir, you can proceed with your question, sir. Selvam, sir.
Yes, Chelvam is asking. Yes, Chelvam. What is your question, Chelvam?
Sir, I think he's not audible. Sir, one more question is there, sir.
Tell
How
me,
to-
Vijay.
How to get sleep immediately? People are asking. As
Most
soon as they
important,
lie down, they have to come to sleep. Go to sleep.
the very important thing, I say within 7 minutes. To be very honest, within 2 minutes you must be able to sleep. Before going to sleep, finish your food 3 hours before your sleep. And the night food must be very minimal. Third one, just meditate for 2 minutes. That pranayama like that. And never bother what it happened. Never worry about what is going to happen tomorrow.
Yes.
Live now and then sleep. Then tomorrow when you get up, then we'll once again attend everything.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So if you're going to sleep, why it happened, what will happen tomorrow, throughout night you won't sleep.
Yes, sir.
So that is the
Yes, sir.
secret.
Thank you, sir.
Last 52 years, I never given even a single patient one tablet of sleeping one. Make
Oh.
them to understand sleep, they'll sleep nicely.
Very good, sir. Very good. Nice, nice, sir.
Thank you, Vijaya. All
Thank you,
credit
sir.
goes to your president and Vijaya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, 2 more persons are there. Shall we ask or shall we wind up, sir?
How many questions more?
2 more persons waiting.
Yes,
sir.
please, I will answer. I will answer and wind up. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Naveen is asking some question.
Pallavi.
Nagalakshmi Venkatraman, sir. Raman.
Nagalakshmi.
Venkatraman.
asking- Yes, unmute and ask Nagalakshmi.
Unmuted,
Hello.
sir.
Unmuted, sir.
Yes, ask question.
Sir, will you please repeat that sentence? Happiness is success
So
something.
what I am saying is, it is not the success must bring you happiness.
Sir, no, repeat the sentence only. Happiness is success or what?
No. Happiness, you put it like that.
Yeah.
Success dash happiness.
Okay.
It is not really true.
Okay.
Happiness dash success is true.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice.
Nalini, madam, unmute yourself and ask the question, ma'am.
What about Darsh is asking? Darsh, son is asking something. Oh, your son is very smart. What is his name? Your son's name?
Nalini, madam.
Unmute. Unless unmute, I cannot hear you.
Darsh.
Yes. Tell me, Darsh.
Hi, uncle.
Oh, how are you? How old are you?
I am 8 years old, uncle.
Oh, how do you?
Yeah,
How
I'm
do you-
connected from Dubai, Sharjah.
Oh, how do you like my talk, Darsh?
Yeah, it was good. Thanks for your information also.
Why don't you ask Tata one question, not uncle, Tata. Ask me one question. Ask me one question. Yes, one question you ask me.
How are you so fit?
How are you so fit?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am fit because I am happy. If you are happy, you will be totally. You are now cheerful, you are also fit. If you become unhappy, you will become unfit.
I'll follow you.
Oh, very good, very good. Nandi, Nandi. Give a big hand to our Dash.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Where is your mother? She is your mother? Ah, very good, very good. Yes. Last question we'll have, Vijaya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, any last question?
Nalini madam, you are unmuted, ma'am. You can ask the question.
Balige Samradhyantige, sir.
Yes, Nalini.
Very nice talk on health, sir.
Thank you.
I have a question. What is the effect of coconut oil on HDL? Lot of controversy.
Yes,
So
very
I want to know what
important
is the
thing.
coconut oil effect, how coconut oil affects our cholesterol.
It's a very
Thank you.
important question, Nalini. Coconut oil.
Thank you.
It contains more of saturated fat, no cholesterol in coconut oil. Any vegetable food, no cholesterol. It is also vegetable food.
Okay.
Coconut oil contains more of saturated one.
Huh?
Once you digest, liver converts very easily that one into cholesterol.
Okay.
For example, if you take more of gingerly oil or rice bran oil or sunflower oil, that contains more of unsaturated fatty acid. Liver takes longer time to convert to cholesterol.
Okay.
So a little bit ghee, coconut oil taking all right. So any oil, if it solidifies outside, it's not good.
Okay.
That's our secret. But coconut you can take, you can use that one for your your food and spraying. You can use coconut underwater. All the things you can use. Oil better to reduce.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Balige Samradhyantige.
Thank you,
So any
madam.
more questions, Vijaya?
Yes, sir. We can wind up, sir.
So once again, I am very thankful to everyone. Ramadas, your grandson is there. Ask him to unmute and ask him to talk something. You talk, unmute that, Ramadas.
Speak.
Tell me,
My
what's your
grandson.
name?
Hello, sir. My grandson wants to talk to you, sir.
Please, what is his name?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Nice. How are you?
Oh, very good, Vijaya. How children are involved in that one? What is your name?
Arya sir, நான் தமிழ் also speak.
அம்மா எவ்வளவு வயசு உனக்கு?
Yeah, you can speak Tamil also.
ஓ 6 வயசு. ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசுறது தாத்தா. சூப்பர் சூப்பர். வாழ்த்துக்கள். நீ சென்னைக்கு வந்த தாத்தா வந்து பாரு.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. So Vijaya,
yes, sir.
Naveen, anything, any comment, Naveen? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Vijaya. Once again, I am very thankful to everyone and take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dandamani. Thank you, Dandamadi.
Thank you very much, sir, for the thought-provoking and informational speech given by you. People are very happy. Nearly 250 members have joined in this today's session,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Vijaya.
Thank you, sir. And I
Take
also
care.
thank you. I do thank your wife, sir, Dr. Sendamarai.
Yes, I will tell her. She has
Yes,
gone
sir.
to another meeting.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I will tell her. I will tell her.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
Vijaya.
very much, sir. Yes, sir. The
Our
program will be
president,
continued.
sir, ரொம்ப நன்றி. நன்றி.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
ரொம்ப நல்லா
thank
இருந்துச்சு,
you,
sir.
thank you. Take care, take care.
All of us are happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Bye, bye, Chalangal.
Continue, ma. Pallavi, continue.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Can I continue with the announcement, ma'am?
Continue, Madi. Madi.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೂಚನೆ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾಜದ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಜೀವಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆದುದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಋಣಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸಲು ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವಿದೆ. ಸಮಾಜದ ಉನ್ನತಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಈ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ದುಡಿಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ 1% ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಗುರು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡಿ ದೈವದ ಮತ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳ ಕೃಪೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿ. ಖಾತೆಯ ವಿವರಗಳು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆರೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಕಟವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದೇಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಧನಪತಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ದಿನಾಂಕ, ಮೊತ್ತದ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ ಎಂದು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. 2ನೇ ಸೂಚನೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಸೇವಾ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ದಂಪತಿಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ ಧನಪತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವಂತೆ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೈ ಯೋಗ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೈ ಯೋಗ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ದೊರೆತ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು 5 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಧನಪತಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಗೆ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ ಎಂದು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ದಿನದ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೊಕ್ಕಲಿಂಗಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುರಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇರಿಸಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸೋಣ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೊಕ್ಕಲಿಂಗಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ದೇಹ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸೇವೆ ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾಳಿನ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಂಗಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವಿವರಗಳು ಹೀಗಿವೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5:45ಕ್ಕೆ ತುರಿಯಾತೀತ ಧ್ಯಾನ, 5:45ಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯಕಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಹಾಭ್ಯಾಸ, 6:45ಕ್ಕೆ ತುರಿಯಾತೀತ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಸಂಜೆ 4:30ಕ್ಕೆ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನ, 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಶಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿ ಆರೈಕೆ, 5:10ಕ್ಕೆ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಎಂಬ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಕೈ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ರವೀಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್. ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ, ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ, ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಈ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಂಗಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಯೋಗ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ವಿಶ್ವ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಘ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಕೈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಂಗಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಲು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಘ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಲಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಧನಪತಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಶಾಖೆಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ ಧನಪತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ವಿಶ್ವಶಾಂತಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ.
ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕಾಲಿಕ ಮಳೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸುರಿಯಲಿ, ರೈತರೆಲ್ಲ ಧಾನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ, ಹಲವು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಗಳ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಉನ್ನತಿಯಾಗಲಿ, ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಕಾಣುವ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿಸಲಿ, ಕಲಹಗಳು ಪೈಪೋಟಿ ಹಗೆತನ ಮೀರಿದ ಆಡಳಿತ ನಡೆಯಲಿ, ಅನಕ್ಷರತೆ ಸಾಲ ಬಡತನ ಕಳಂಕಗಳು ಮರೆಯಾಗಲಿ, ಸುಖ ಬಾಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಸತ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೀರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಾಳ್ವೆಯ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನೇ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿಸಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಾಳ್ವೆಯ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನೇ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿಸಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಾಳ್ವೆಯ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನೇ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿಸಲಿ. ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ, ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ, ಬಾಳ್ಗೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ.